A vulnerability is a weakness, flaw or software bug in an application, a complete computer, an operating system, or a computer network that is exploited by malware to bypass defenses or gain privileges it requires to run. For example, test disk 6.4 earlier contained a vulnerability that allowed attackers to inject code into Windows. Malware can exploit security defects, security bugs or vulnerabilities in the operating system. Applications, such as browsers, e.g., older versions of Microsoft Internet Explorer supported by Windows XP, or invulnerable versions of browser plugins such as Adobe Flash Player, Adobe Acrobat or Reader, or Java SHA. For example, a common method is exploitation of a buffer overrun vulnerability, where software designed to store data in a specified region of memory does not prevent more data than the buffer can accommodate being supplied. Malware may provide data that overflows the buffer, with malicious executable code or data after the end. When this payload is accessed, it does what the attacker, not the legitimate software, determines. Malware can exploit recently discovered vulnerabilities before developers have had time to release a suitable patch, even when new patches addressing the vulnerability have been released. They may not necessarily be installed immediately, allowing malware to take advantage of systems lacking patches. Sometimes even applying patches or installing new versions does not automatically uninstall the old versions. Security advisories from plugin providers announce security-related updates. Common vulnerabilities are assigned CVE IDs and listed in the U.S. National Vulnerability Database. Secunia Psi is an example of software free for personal use that will check a PC for vulnerable out-of-date software and attempt to update it. Other approaches involve using firewalls and intrusion prevention systems to monitor unusual traffic patterns on the local computer network.